Hello everyone, my name is Arnav Suman. Climate change has emerged as one of the most devastating environmental issues ever to confront humanity. In today's time, it is becoming increasingly difficult to keep a check on factories and industries that are creating pollution, releasing carbon and nitrogen-based pollutants directly into the atmosphere. Authorities and police are often not able to collect evidence against such factory owners and they keep on polluting the environment without fear. These factories and industries often illegally release wastewater and smoke during odd hours while no one is watching, which creates a need for an automated solution that can be used along with CCTV cameras, drones, and can be accessed from anywhere. Using AI, we detect sources of climate change in order to collect evidence. First, a desktop-based app which users can use to classify sources of climate change using a PC along with a drone/camera. This is the login page of our desktop app. Click launch. Press space bar to capture image. Click upload. Upload successful. Let us see the images that were uploaded to Google Drive just now. Here are the three images along with the screen recording. Those images were also saved in the system. Click Graph button to see the graph of compiled data. If you need any help or you have a query, you can go to the Python shell and start using our Sahita chatbot. The place and time of the incident will be recorded in a CSV file that will be uploaded and used in our web app. Our web app climate-change-tracker.herokuapp.com, using which every household would get an idea of what happens to climate change if everyone on Earth starts to live with the same factors as modified in the side panel of my web app. It will also give an idea of carbon emission increase by the year 2100, rise in global temperature, water level rise, and a map showing CO2 emission hotspots in a 3D map. I made the desktop-based app using OpenCV along with TensorFlow and a SSD MobileNet model. My project makes use of all three domains of AI: computer vision, natural language processing, and data analysis. Thank you.